Here's a quick mini unboxing. Got my wheels from Fitment Industries in today. This is why it's always good to have a truck. Go ahead and have it shipped to the hub and go pick it up. You don't have to worry about it being left outside and signing for it, all that stuff. So I'm gonna give you a quick little sneak peek of what came in. Oh, it's upside down. That's great. Probably a sticker or something. Let's see. Yep, got a sticker in there. Don't know what this is. Let's see here. Sorry about that. Carbon refresh spray. I had it ceramic coated when I ordered it, so I guess I gave me a little for a refresh. But here's the back of it, and then I'll get them out and come back to you.